Hello again. The customer brought her iPhone 12 Pro Max. The camera lens is broken and the camera itself it has problem. So see here, see the black spot. See the black spot in this one and this. So she decided to change the camera as well. So we will change the back camera and the back camera lens as well. So today I'm extremely busy, but I promised her to finish it today for her. So now we will apply some heat in order to open the front screen to reach the back camera and change it for her. So after we removed the two screws in the bottom of the screen, now we need to lift up the screen. We'll add some alcohol, like make it easier to open it. We don't need this anymore. Screen is still good, which is most important things when you open the screen. Okay. First of all, we need to disconnect the battery and take off the screen. Now we need to remove the ear speaker and the Face ID sensor. So this is the camera. This is the child. Oh, camera, it's been replaced as well before. So the camera and the screen, it's been replaced. This is aftermarket. Anyway, so we'll bring the camera, and now we need to clean this one. So we've got another back camera. It's original camera here, but before I put the camera, I will put the back lens camera for her. So we already installed the back camera lens. So now installed the camera. Now it's time for the shield. We will put all the screws back. So camera is already installed. And this one, so we'll add sealed here and we'll put the screen back, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.